Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. Yet again, another business card with no credit check and guaranteed approval. Yes, we've been known for providing you and uploading videos which helps you to grow your business, and at the same time you can grow your personal and business credit card. As you know, we always make videos which helps you to gain access to the higher credit limit funding and get credit cards either as personal or business with no credit check or just a soft pull. So remember, right after this video I'm going to upload another video which will help you get $5,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to get that credit card, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video. And also please like the video. It will help this video reach to a wider audience, and it also helps the channel grow. So thank you so much. Without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So the business card in front of you is a hedge card. It's a financial institution which is known to give credit cards to different businesses with no credit check at all. And what I mean by no credit check, it means that not even a soft pull onto your credit. So how they do it and what are the steps that you need to take in order to get this credit card, I'm going to tell you step by step. But first, let's see and get into this credit card and its perks, that what are the things this credit card offer, how much is the credit limit you can get approved for, and is there any cashback or any sort of point system this card has, and what is the APR and stuff. So when it comes to this credit card, the line of credit that they give you is actually ranges from $200 to $5,000, and the APR ranges from 18 to 24%. Personally, in my experience, this APR a bit higher than the other credit cards, but remember, the APR never counts if you pay your card in full at the end of every month. So if you pay it in full, it means there is zero APR, so you won't have to pay a single penny for interest or APR. So these are the things that this credit card offers. But how it works and how is the application and what sort of things that you need. First of all, this credit card and financial institutions using a platform known as Plaid. This is a fintech platform, and a lot of new financial institutions, especially from Silicon Valley, are using this platform. So what they exactly do, they actually read your personal and business bank accounts transactions. So what you need to do, you need to link your business bank account or your personal bank account with their financial institutions, and they analyze your transactions and your financial standings, and then they give you the credit limit according to that. So it means there is no credit check required. So if you have a very good or excellent bank account or transactions on your personal and business checking account, then definitely you're going to get approved for a higher credit limit. But if your transactions are very low, and like you can say from $1,000 to $1,500 and $2,000 every month, so you're still gonna get approved for this credit card, but with lower credit limit. And of course, they will continue to analyze your bank accounts and its transactions. As soon as they see that your transaction is getting better, so then they will allow you and they will give you higher limit according to your financial standings. So I personally really like this sort of platform when it comes to the fintech companies and new Silicon Valley's companies. So what they're exactly doing, they are neglecting the fact that you have a credit history or it's bad or fair or excellent. They only care about your financial standings, and then they give the credit limit and credit cards according to your financial standing or your business or personal checking account standings. So this is what I really like about these new companies. So according to them, it's a very quick and easy application. I'm going to navigate to the application page as well, but right now, according to them, they don't need any previous history, and of course they access your funds and when you need it through the hash card. So what you can do, of course, they give you the credit card. It actually works as a traditional credit card. You can use it and pay it in full at the end of every month. If you don't, of course, they will charge you an APR ranges between 18 to 24%. So remember, always do that. Couple of more things that they actually offer The first thing, of course, there's no fees or penalty, so it means there is no annual fee. You don't have to pay a single penny on that. And I personally love this thing because I hate the credit cards which has the annual fee. No matter what, a lot of people can try to convince you that, hey, this credit card has a lot of features, a lot of perks, and of course will equalize your annual fee with the perks it has. But I don't agree with that. If you want to use the perks, just use your credit card or your own money. You don't need a credit card to use the perks to actually cover your annual fee. So this is something that I disagree with a lot of YouTubers out there. Well, the second thing, of course, they say that's quick and convenient. When you get approved, you will receive your business card with next 7 business days. So this is an amazing opportunity. So they said there's no waiting, so before you even receive your card, they will give you a virtual card so you can use it right after the approval of your credit card. And then of course you can use and check your balance in real time. Of course every financial institution do that. They have their app and you can actually follow that. But now let's click on apply now and see what sort of application that it has. Remember, right now they offer their credit cards in following states. They are coming up with more states and they are going to launch their products in more states. But right now, if you are in one of these states, you can apply for this credit card, and if not, then you can always click on join the waitlist and you can do that. So right here I'm going back and I want to show you that what sort of application it has. First, you need to create an account. Of course, you need to select your state from there, and then first name, last name, email address, and create your password. After you do that, they will ask you to connect your bank account. When you connect your check-in, personal or business bank account, they will analyze your transactions and the balance you have in your account, and then they offer you the credit limit according to it. So if you like it, you can accept it. There is no hard pull or soft pull. They will give you the credit limit and the credit card, and you will receive it in the next 7 business days. So this is very simple and straightforward. But remember, you can get this card with no soft pull or no hard inquiry, and I believe a lot of new startups should go with this because they don't have any business credit history. So it doesn't matter that your business is really new or it's a very old existing business, you can still get this credit card. But right after this video, I'm going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $5,000 credit card and a personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to get this credit card, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. For now, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. This is Credit Viral. Take care.